Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Postman, a powerful tool for API development and testing. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Okay, let's dive into it. So first of all, what you have to do, first let's go to the Postman website. Postman, and you can open up your favorite browser and navigate to postman.com. Here can you see www.postman.com. Open up this in new tab, or you can open up this in the same tab. In the Postman, you will find out the download button to download the Postman. So we are here. Can you see this is a text download, the desktop app for now. So I will click on Windows. If you have Windows, you can go for Windows. If you have like MacBook, you can go for Mac, and for now in my case it's Windows. If you have Mac, you can right click on it, you can go up there, and you can download for your MacBook. Right now it's my Windows, so it's giving me the Windows for now. Okay, here I will click and hit on Windows 64-bit. I will click on it, and this is going to start my downloading my Postman from my computer. Let's start that. So this will take like 1.5 minutes, and it's almost 160 MB. Let's wait the download to be complete. So guys, once your download is complete, you can locate the file in your download folder, or what you can do, you can click here and you can open up here, and after that you will see a instruction on your installation instruction on your screen, and 1 second. Here, so here what you can do, you can create a free account or you can sign in. So, or you can like create account or sign in later. You can skip. I will like suggest you to create your account if you don't have account. So I have already an account. I will say sign in, and this will take me to another window. And what this is going to do, this is going to open up my windows here, like sign in Postman, sign in here. So I will say okay, sign in with Google, and still here I need to give my Google account here. And once this is done, okay, sorry, here I need to sign in to get, no, I don't need that. I will just say accept, and once the agreement has been done, you'll say okay, open Postman, and here this will redirect me into the Postman. So you see, when you first open the Postman, you will you will be prompted to create an account or sign in. Creating an account allows you to access additional features and synchronize your work across devices. If you don't have account, you can choose to continue without signing in, or if you don't have the account, you can create your account. So in my case, it's one touch dev, and I will select a role from here. Let's see, backend developer, data engineer, scientist, DevOps engineer, front-end full stack developer. You have a lot of options here. I will say DevOps engineer, and I will click next. It's up to you, whatever you want to choose. So I don't want to invite anyone. I will just do continue. Okay, so it's saying import existing file. Now I don't want to do that. So let me show you how the Postman works. So what I will do, I will hit on new, and I will hit on HTTP, and here I will paste my URL, the URL that is here, localhost 4000 feedback. Here it's HTTP and localhost 4000 feedback. 4000 is the port number on which my backend server or my backend database server is running. I will hit on send, And here, can you see I have the status of 200. Okay, and here is my here is my response of the API that I have sent. So this is my right now, it's my own local system. This can be on your live system, and you can test your APIs, and you can add more requests. You can send more requests, like you have multiple options: post, put, patch, delete, and more. So Postman offer a wide range of features such as collection, environments, tests, and integration. Be sure to explore these features to supercharge your API development workflow. And so yeah, that's it. So you have successfully downloaded and installed Postman. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials, and don't forget to hit the like button to show your support. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question or need any further assistance, please leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more helpful videos. Until next time, thank you, take care, bye bye.